Yes, it's me, Lee, and I'm back on the CurryShed web channel, not only on my website, which is curryshed.com, but also we're continuing where we left off on YouTube, which is CurryShed at YouTube. Simple as that. Just go to YouTube and put in CurryShed and you'll find all the videos on there. I've been doing lots of research over the last 8 years, as you can imagine. There's been lots of changes. One of them is going to be taken next week. I'm going over to, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going actually, but it is in another country. And from there, I'll be doing a number of videos, all to do with obviously curries and various things that go on in this particular country. Just recently, we had a problem with the CurryShed itself, and it was absolutely devastating. And it took place without me knowing. And one day, basically, well, I won't tell you what it is. I'm going to show you in a completely new video exactly what happened. And as I say, it is quite devastating. If you've never actually seen any of the videos that I've done so far on CurryShed, go along to YouTube. It's YouTube at CurryShed. And also there is a website, an exclusive website called curryshed.com, where there's a lot more information, recipes and various things that are going on there as well. I must admit, I do have to laugh at some of the comments I've received on the channel about where have I been for the last 8 years. And I know a lot of you are concerned, and some people even thought I was, well, passed away, to be quite honest. But that's not true. I am here, I am back, and I am including a number of new things and features, as well as visiting many other countries. I'll be doing lots of videos from all over this country. I'm going to be reviewing the restaurants and different places that you can eat curries. I'm sure you know what it's like, that there's always something that you've got to do and something to be done. But since about 18 months ago, I retired, well, officially retired. I'm still doing some work, but I wanted to concentrate more on building up this YouTube channel and the website at curryshed.com. If you've been watching any of my videos on the YouTube channel, you will see that I've been cooking curries for well over 8 years on the actual YouTube channel. And before that, I was learning how to do this. I went to other places and learned the skills that was necessary to build up the knowledge to cook my own curries at home. I'm going to be trying to make it as interesting as possible, so we want to keep it very varied and go into other places apart from just in the UK. There's always something that you forget when you go out, and one of the things I forgot today was my sunglasses. Now the problem is, when I'm looking at something on the screen, trying to record it, I can't actually see what's going on. So it's a bit difficult. I'm just sort of guessing that this is all coming out okay. Now, the trouble is I've been walking around quite aimlessly for the last half an hour, and to be honest with you, I can't remember where I parked the car. So it's going to be a little bit of a job, but anyway, I'm going to have a look around and see if I can find it. It's actually massive, this estate, so if you get lost here, and especially when you're trying to find a car, it's a bit of a nightmare. The other thing is I've come out without my phone, so I can't even phone my wife up to let her know that I'm going to be a little bit late because I can't find the car. I'll just have to keep walking, I guess. The thing is, I know it was somewhere near a park, but the trouble is there's blooming loads of parks around this area. So I'm trying to look for the one that I actually parked next to. Well, that's a bit of a relief, and if by magic, here it is, I've just found it. So if you'd like to become a member of the website, then go along to curryshed.com. Or if you would like to subscribe to YouTube, just click on the subscribe button below. It doesn't cost you anything. And make sure that if you want to be notified of any new videos that are coming along, then make sure you click on that, bell notification. It's very important, and that will help me out a lot.